Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you if Fortnite is available on REALME 9. So in order to do that, let's try finding it on Google Play Store, but as we all know, the Fortnite is not available for Android. We can on Android Play Store, but we can try finding it. So let's write Fortnite. No results found. Now let's go for the Epic Games app, and here we can actually see the Fortnite. Click Get, and we can install it. So that means Fortnite is available for REALME 9. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.